Hello dear students, so we are going to understand the topic article more specifically today. Now what is the article? So article are the word that define the noun more clearly, specific or unspecific. It sounds like adjective that provide more information about the noun. So article are of three types: a, and the. So when to use a, and the. So first is a, use before the singular and countable noun. Whenever there is the noun which is come which we can count, so that time we will use the a as an article. For example, I have a book. So book is what? A singular noun. So we'll use a. He is a doctor, single person. It is a pen. It is a pen. She bought a car, single car. So singular noun. A plus consonant sound. Okay, whenever there is a consonant sound, that time we will use a as an article. And whenever there is an vowels, a, e, i, o, u. For example, here is Phillips, you have to fill an article. So he apple, the first letter of the apple is a, which is vowels, so we are going to use an as an article. She has an apple. He is a honest boy. Now you will say h is what? Consonant, but here h is silent. So how you pronounce the word? Honest. So o is coming, so we are going to use an as an article. Next is it's an umbrella. Now you is again, you is what? Vowels, so we're going to use an as an article. I saw an elephant. Now e, so before vowels we're going to use an as an article. Now when to use the? Whenever there is a specific noun, that time we are going to use the as an article, or any proper noun. For example, sun. There is only one sun in our solar system, so we'll use the as an article. The sun rises in the east. The book on the table is mine. The book which is on the table is mine. I met the teacher yesterday. The Ganga is the holy river. Now what to remember? The is used for the specific or unique noun.